everyone! Welcome back to Up English 101, the place where learning English is always fun and exciting. I'm Sue.
And I'm Jake.
Hi, Jake. How are you today?
I'm great, Sue, and I'm ready for some shopping.
Me too, because today we're going to the clothes shop.
Yes! Today's episode is all about useful English sentences you can use when shopping for clothes.
Whether you're looking for a t-shirt, jeans, or a new dress, we'll help you talk like a confident shopper in English.
That's right. We'll share lots of easy phrases and examples and have some fun along the way.
So listeners, grab your shopping bags and let's go shopping with Up English 101. Okay, so let's imagine we've just walked into a clothes shop. The first thing we say is, hello, or good afternoon.
Simple and polite. Example, hello, how are you today?
Being friendly always makes shopping nicer, right?
Definitely. My first sentence is, I'm just looking, thank you.
Example, I'm just looking, thank you.
Oh yes, you can say that when the shop assistant comes over to help.
Exactly. It's polite and easy to remember.
Here's another one. Do you have this in my size?
Example, do you have this t-shirt in size small?
That's a super useful one. I use it all the time.
I bet you do.
My next one is, what sizes do you have? Example, what sizes do you have for this jacket?
That's great. It helps you find the right fit. My turn. Do you have this in another color? Example, do you have this in blue?
Oh, I always ask that because I love wearing black.
Me too, but sometimes I go for red. It's bright and happy.
Another one, it's too small. Example, this shirt is too small for me.
And also, it's too big. Example, these jeans are too big for me.
Perfect for the fitting room moments.
Okay, next sentence. Can I try this on? Example, can I try this on, please?
Oh yes, you always need that when you're shopping for clothes. And here's another one. Where is the fitting room? Example, excuse me, where is the fitting room?
That's really helpful when you're in a big store. When you try something and it's perfect, you can say, it fits me well. Example, this jacket fits me well.
Or if not, you can say, it doesn't fit me. Example, this dress doesn't fit me.
That's me every time I shop online.
Now let's talk about prices. The most important question, how much is this? Example, how much is this sweater?
That's the #1 question in any store. People would love to ask this question. Another one is this on sale? Example, is this jacket on sale?
Oh, everyone loves sales. You can also say, that's too expensive. Example, I like it, but it's too expensive.
Or the happy version, that's a good price. Example, wow, that's a good price for jeans. We know it's cheaper than it's used to be. Once you decide, you can say, I'll take it. Example, I'll take this red dress.
That's the magic phrase every shop loves to hear. Next one, can I pay by card? Example, can I pay by card or cash?
That's useful everywhere, especially when you travel. Another one, can I get a receipt, please? Example, can I get a receipt, please?
Yes, always keep your receipt, just in case. My turn. Can I return this if it doesn't fit? Example, can I return this if it doesn't fit me?
Smart. Always check the return policy because sometimes it doesn't fit you well. When I find something nice, I say, I love it. Example, wow, I love this skirt.
You always say that, Sue. I usually say, it looks great on you. Example, that jacket looks great on you, Sue.
Aw, thank you, Jake. You're so kind. Another one, it's not my style. Example, it's nice, but it's not my style.
That's a polite way to say no. I like that. And one more, I'll think about it. Example, I'll think about it and come back later.
Classic, Jake. Always thinking. Now we're ready to pay. You can say, can I have a bag, please? Example, can I have a bag for this, please?
That's good. Many stores charge for bags now. Another one, keep the change. Example, here's $10. Keep the change.
That's very polite and friendly. My last one. Thank you for your help. Example, thank you for your help. Have a nice day.
That's such a great way to finish shopping. And finally, see you next time. Example, see you next time at Up English 101.
Perfect ending, Jake. Wow, we covered a lot today. Let's review our favorite sentences.
Sure, let's go over a few. Do you have this in my size? Can I try this on? It's too small, too big. How much is this? I'll take it. Can I pay by card? It looks great on you. Thank you for your help.
Great job, everyone. You're learning real English for real life.
That's right. Every new word you learn is a new tool you can use.
So next time you go shopping, try using these sentences.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Learning is all about practice.
Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep smiling.
And don't forget to subscribe to Up English 101 for more fun English lessons. See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.